Here's something that will save your sanity on your first family road trip, and it's so simple you'll wonder why no one told you this before. I'm about to share a game-changing travel hack that experienced parents swear by but somehow never gets talked about in those fancy parenting blogs. Picture this scenario. You're 3 hours into what should have been a peaceful drive to grandma's house. Your toddler is screaming because they dropped their favorite toy somewhere in the depths of your car. Your baby needs a diaper change, but you're stuck on a highway with no rest stops in sight. Your spouse is getting frustrated, and you're starting to question whether this whole family vacation thing was a terrible mistake. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you that one tiny preparation step could have prevented 90% of this chaos? This isn't about packing more stuff or buying expensive car organizers. It's actually about doing less but doing it strategically. The hack is something I call the strategic seat swap method, and it's going to revolutionize how your family travels. Before we dive into exactly how this works, let me explain why most first-time parents get car travel completely wrong. When new parents plan their first road trip, they make one critical error. They think about the car the same way they think about their home. They load up the back seat with kids, put all the supplies in the trunk, and assume the front passenger seat should stay empty for the adult navigator. This setup is actually creating more problems than it solves. Here's what smart parents do instead. They put one parent in the back seat with the kids and use the front passenger seat as their mobile command center. I know this sounds backwards at first, but stick with me because the logic is brilliant. When you have a parent in the back seat, you become the immediate response team for everything that goes wrong. Spilled juice box? You're right there. Toy falls on the floor? Handled in seconds. Sibling fight breaks out? Instant referee. Baby starts crying? Immediate attention and comfort. You become the flight attendant of your family road trip. And trust me, this changes everything. But here's where it gets really smart. That empty front passenger seat becomes your traveling headquarters. This is where you keep your emergency supplies organized and easily accessible. Think of it as your cockpit for family travel success. Set up a small container or bag in the front seat with these essentials. Extra snacks that aren't messy. Wet wipes in easy-reach containers. A change of clothes for each kid in separate bags. Entertainment items like coloring books, small toys, or tablets with downloaded content. Sippy cups with backup drinks. Basic first aid supplies for minor scrapes or car sickness. The beauty of this system is immediate access without stopping the car. When your 4-year-old announces they're thirsty, you can hand them a drink in literally 5 seconds. When the baby has a blowout, you've got clean clothes right there without digging through suitcases in the trunk. When someone drops their snack, replacement food appears like magic. This approach also solves the biggest mistake new parents make, which is trying to manage everything from the front driver's seat. When mom or dad is constantly turning around, reaching back, or trying to help kids while driving, it creates dangerous situations and increases everyone's stress levels. The parent in the back becomes the entertainment director too. You can play games, point out interesting things outside the windows, help with car activities, and provide that crucial emotional support that keeps meltdowns from escalating. Kids feel more secure when a parent is close by, especially during long stretches of unfamiliar travel. Now let's talk about the rotation strategy because this is where experienced parents really shine. Every time you stop for gas, bathroom breaks, or food, you and your partner switch positions. The driver gets a break from focusing on the road and can now handle kid duty. The parent who is managing the backseat chaos gets to sit up front, stretch out, and maybe even enjoy some peaceful scenery. This rotation keeps both parents from getting overwhelmed by one specific job. It also means your kids get interaction with both parents throughout the trip, which keeps things interesting for them and prevents the backseat parent from becoming exhausted. Here's an advanced tip that will make you look like a parenting genius. Pack a small cooler that fits perfectly in the front seat footwell. This keeps drinks cold, snacks fresh, and gives you even more immediate access to supplies. Frozen juice boxes work as ice packs and become treats as they thaw. For families with babies, keep diaper-changing supplies in the front seat rather than buried in diaper bags. A small basket with diapers, wipes, bags, and change of clothes means you can handle emergencies at any rest stop without unpacking your entire car. The psychological impact of this system is incredible. Instead of feeling like you're barely surviving the journey, you feel prepared and in control. Your kids pick up on this calm energy, and the whole car becomes more peaceful. One final game changer is the snack strategy. Instead of bringing one big bag of snacks, portion everything into individual containers in the front seat. Every hour you can distribute a new snack, which becomes an event that kids look forward to. It breaks up the monotony and gives everyone something to anticipate. This simple seat arrangement hack transforms family road trips from chaotic ordeals into manageable adventures. Try it on your next family drive and watch how much smoother everything becomes. Your future traveling self will thank you for this one small but incredibly effective change.